Today is January 28th. This is the 1970 Cadillac DeVille steering wheel for my friend Clint Hyam in Tennessee. And this unit has been completely restored, and it has the animated wood grain inlay on the front face perimeter. Absolutely beautiful. And the unit arrived to me. It was split and cracked, and the wood grain inlay was, of course, entirely decomposed, as is the typical situation with all of the original vintage Cadillac steering wheels. And this was fully restored and made beautiful for my friend Clint. And this will be going out to his restoration shop. Be shipping out tomorrow, along with several other items. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1970 Cadillac items in my collection, and over 250,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall, and I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels and steering columns and power seat mechanisms. Thank you very kindly.